You've done the research, you have the evidence, you've found your truth. But what's the point if no one listens? This is the oldest challenge of all, how to convince the world to care. The ancient Greeks had a word for it, rhetoric, the art of persuasion. It isn't just about giving a speech, it's a toolkit for moving an audience. Aristotle said it stands on 3 pillars. First, there's ethos, your credibility. Why should we trust you? Did you do the work? Next is logos, your logic. Does your argument make sense? Is it backed by data? And finally, pathos, the appeal to emotion. Can you make us feel something? A perfect speech uses all 3 in balance. But unlike a reader, a listener can't rewind. You have to make your structure obvious. Start with a hook, a shocking statistic, or a bold question. Give a clear roadmap. Today, I'll discuss 3 things. Then deliver those 3 points, each with evidence. Remember the rule of 3. Humans are wired to remember things in groups of 3. I came, I saw, I conquered. It just works. And while you're speaking, your body is communicating. Stand tall, make eye contact, use your hands to show what's huge or small. This builds your ethos before you even say a word. Your voice is your instrument. A monotone is the death of persuasion. Vary your pace and pitch, and learn to love the pause. A 2-second silence after a big point gives it weight. It lets the idea land. Of course, there's the fear, but the goal isn't to eliminate nerves, it's to turn them into excitement. Before you go on, try a power pose for 2 minutes. It's scientifically proven to lower stress. Because ultimately, public speaking isn't about perfection, it's about connection. If you truly believe in your message, your audience will believe in you.